7 tourists were killed and a dozen injured after a massive avalanche recently hit Nathula border area, a popular tourist spot in Sikkim. According to Border Road Organization (BRO), the avalanche struck 14th mile on Jawaharlal Nehru Road connecting Gangtok to Nathula Pass. Swift rescue operations were launched by Border Road Organization and 22 people were rescued till now, including 6 from a deep valley. Basically, avalanches are masses of snow, ice and rocks that fall rapidly down a mountainside. And the causes of avalanches are heavy snowfall, winds, vibration or movement, steep slopes, warm temperature, deforestation, earthquake and human activity as well.